welcome back to my channel. I am Holly, and this, well, is obviously my channel, and I have a brand new box for you. Well, not brand new, but a brand new extension of a box that I already do on my channel, and it is a box that is very near and dear to my heart, and it is, oh, it's going to be an amazing box, and it is Universe Bound book box, but it is Universe Bound Pleasures. And this book box is for the spicier side of the reading spectrum, I should say. It is for the pleasure side of the bookworm in us, ladies and gentlemen. And this book box is $35 a month, and it includes all of the normal, well, maybe not the normal stuff, I don't know, because this book box starts on November 1st, and I'm hoping that we all will enjoy Universe Bound Pleasures. I can't wait to see what the curator, Mr. James, has sent me, because I just love a great erotic novel. This is what the box looks like when it comes to your door. So let's see what's in here. Okay, I've already cut it open, and we need some juicy reads in our life. So here's what it looks like when it comes to your door. Packed full for $35 a month. This is going to be delish. I already can know. So you do definitely get, I call it my itinerary. This is everything that you will get in your box. Now, Universe Bound is not just the one book box. I will leave all the details down below. They have a vast array of book boxes that you can choose from. They do ship overseas, and I mean, it is a very wide selection of book boxes. There is something for everyone, and everyone has a choice. You can get just a book, you can get the biggest book box and have everything and anything in your book box. So with that being said, I will leave the details down below for you to choose whichever you may or may not want. So let's get into this, and the first thing, I'm just pulling out something in here. Okay, let's see, what is this? This would be, looks to be, oh, okay, milk chocolate. This is a milk chocolate cigar. This is a cigar, but it is milk chocolate, and I am just, I love chocolate. I'm a chocolate connoisseur. I love chocolate, and I want to open this and eat it, but because this is Universe Bound Pleasures box, I think I'm going to save it and share it with my husband. So I've never had a chocolate cigar, so I'm assuming there is a wrapper on this, so this is going to be yummy. And then there are two suckers in here, and they are caramel apple pops. Those are going to be quite interesting. with my book later. So that's amazing. I love that idea, the thought with the erotic novel and the suckers and the chocolate. Okay, and then now we have a mysterious box here. So let's see what's in this box. And then there's a bag inside. Cool. I love these little boxes. They are great. I save them and I use them for like birthdays and stuff. Okay, let's see. And these little burlap sacks are amazing. Oh, aren't they just cute? So inside there's like a little goodie bag. Oh my goodness gracious. They look like little champagne bottles. Oh, they're so cute. There we go. They are, aren't they just the cutest? There we are. I'm hoping that you can read them. One is Canadian Club and the other one is Contra. I think I can say that right. I can't say it right, but anyway, these are actually liquor-filled chocolate bottles. That's what they are. And Cointreau liquor and Canadian Club whiskey. And these are from Anthon Berg. This product contains real alcohol. And then we have Drambuie and Remy Martin. Well, it would help if I held them the right way. And then we also have Sebeski vodka. Aren't those just the cutest little bottles? That is just so cute. And then we have three little, so you get 6, 7, 8 of these little tiny bottles. Galliano and Jim Beam and Famous Grouse. That is just, I think that these are a very cute little thing to put in here. That is just so cute. Very cute. I like this idea for this box because, you know, it's kind of like a little date night in a box. I love this idea. Oh, I almost lost it. Don't want to lose that. I think this box is gonna be a nice little date night. It's a Friday night here. Okay, and then we have some little, these look like little tea candle things. I'm thinking Tea Light Fuel sells liquid oil paraffin candles. You can put these out and have a little candle lit conversation if you know what I mean. Some bath things, 3-day reactive dust set with the spoon, so you can have a little bubble bath action going on. And the scent for the bubble bath, I believe, is the Victorian, oh no, bath product featured scents are golden sandalwood, Damascus rose, geranium, bergamot, ocean rose, or amber noir. So that is the scents of these. I love these products. This is a 3-day supply. Amazing. And then we have this wonderful idea. This is a wonderful idea. This is a Mock & Salt rock candle holder. And you can put your candle in this. And I have a Himalayan salt. Oh, this is very super duper heavy. So here, this holds a votive candle. Look at this. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. And it has the little feet on the bottom. Amazing. And you can put your candle, like you can put your candle right in there. And it holds your candle. I saved a candle. That is very pretty. Oh, I love that. That is just wonderful. I wonder, no, it won't hold the whole thing. It looks kind of goofy that way, so I would definitely just put the candle itself in there. That's amazing. I love that idea. That is going to be, oh, crazy amazing, crazy amazing. Love it, James. I love this. So we are down to the purpose of this box. The book, that's why we ordered this box, right? Because, the juicy book. So our book is Erotic Stories for Punjabi Widows. So, yeah, that sounds a little strange, but this book is a novel, and it's Reese Witherspoon's book club pick. I was thinking I would just go from the back of the book. Every woman has a secret life. Nikki, a modern daughter of Indian immigrants, has spent most of her 20-odd years distancing herself from the traditional Sikh, and it's spelled S-I-K-H, community of her childhood, preferring a more independent, that is, Western life. When her father's death leaves the family financially strapped, Nikki impulsively takes a job teaching a creative writing course at the community center in the beating heart of London's close-knit Punjabi community. The proper Sikh widows who showed up are expecting to learn English, not short story writing. When one of the widows finds a book of erotica and shares it with the class, Nikki realizes that beneath their white dupattas, her students have a wealth of fantasies and memories that they have held in for far too long. Eager to liberate these modest women, she teaches them how to express their untold stories, unleashing creativity of the most unexpected and exciting kind. As the class grows, a group called the Brothers, who have appointed themselves South Hall's moral police, threaten to reveal the class's scandalous stories and the mysterious secrets lurking beneath the seemingly sedate, tight-knit community. It says that this is a page-turner. Your commute will thank you. And that was from Glamour. Warm and hilariously funny. Good housekeeping. So, sounds like it's going to be a pretty good book. So, I don't know. I was going to try and read something from the book itself. Let me see if I can find a little paragraph from the book. I'll be right back. Okay, I found a little clip that isn't too awful, because I don't want to offend I don't want to offend anybody. But here's just a little paragraph. It says, "Oh, don't tell me you want to stop now." "I don't want to stop." "Then what is it?" Mira cast a shy gaze over Rita's naked body. "All this time I spent envying you. I was actually lusting after you. I want to keep admiring your body." It was Rita's turn to go, shy. "I had no idea," she said. "I thought you resented me." Mira pressed her lips to Rita's. They shared a long and passionate kiss, during which Mira reached down and wrapped her hands around the stick. She slipped it into Rita and began to pump it slowly. "What do you want me to do?" Mira asked. Rita's eyes flew open in surprise. She never thought she would be in the position to ask anything of Mira. Yet here, the older woman was ready to serve her. Oh boy. Well, that sounds like it is going to be very spicy. So that is it for this box. I think that this box is going to be a force to be reckoned with. So if you are interested in getting Universe Bound Pleasures box, I will definitely leave the link down below, because I have a feeling this is going to be an amazing woman's and or man's best friend. So that is all I have for you today. I need to eat some chocolate. And I'll see you next time in my next video real soon. Bye, y'all.